If you have seen my earlier videos, I did a review on the 3120A tripod that I got for 16 ringgit. After 3 months of using it for almost every weekend, the tripod finally bid farewell to our relationship. The phone holder screw hole is cracked after a few turns and twists, and the center shaft is also broken. Well, with the price I paid for this tripod, I can't blame it on the quality which is already expected. Because of that, I got myself a new tripod, the Andouer Q160SE. I bought this from Lazada and it cost me about 85 ringgit after discount. Inside the box, it is the tripod carrying bag. Which the tripod is already in it along with a product manual and an Allen key. The first thing I notice when I take out this tripod is the quality of the metal. I can definitely feel the huge differences over the 3120A tripod by just touching it. Here's a side-by-side comparison for you to see. The obvious difference here is the diameter of the tripod legs and the quality. Judging from the sound, it is obvious the Andouer tripod has better build quality. A smartphone holder is not provided, so I got this from Mr. DIY for less than 15 ringgit if I remember correctly. I made a mistake by turning the phone holder on top of this quick release plate, and this causes the rubber worn off at the sides due to friction. So the correct way is to hold it still and tighten the screw from the bottom instead of tightening the phone holder from the top. The maximum height you can go with all the sections being fully extended is 126 cm by taking into account the camera lens is in the middle of the phone holder. Thanks to this adjustable lever, you can widen the legs on the ground for better stability. The center shaft can be repositioned in another way to ease macro shooting or low angle shooting. For flat lay shooting, it can be done, but it requires more effort. Unlike other Andouer models like the Q160H, where the center shaft can be positioned horizontally far from the center, so the tripod legs will not be visible from the camera point of view. Panning horizontally and vertically is also smooth, but it will be good if the tripod does come with a handle, as some people may prefer using it to pan around. To wrap this up, this tripod is priced at 85 ringgit, which is almost 4 times more expensive than the 3120A tripod, but it's worth every cent to me. So I'm looking forward to a longer relationship with the Andouer tripod. If you have any of these tripods, let me know your experience. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.